All right, archery fam. We got the Bear Super Grizz, 49 pounds. And we got the Tbow with the Tradtech Black Max 2.0 limbs, 49 pounds at my draw, both of them. We got some gold tip hunter arrows, 500 grains. And we're gonna do a little microphone sound check. All right, that was the Bear Grizz, Super Grizz. Now we got the Tbow. Oh, of course, why don't you fly over when I'm shooting my bow airplane? All right, both bows on a beautiful 87-degree and steamy day in the great state of South Carolina. They both sounded pretty quiet to me. But like I said, I've done some silencing to the ILF rig, put silencer strips in, so there's no contact between the limbs and the riser. And we must always say, it's a great day when God blesses us, and all glory goes to Him. And this video has been brought to you by Jesus Christ, my Lord and Savior. Oh yeah, this is, someone asked me, this is what I use as my quiver. It's a Safari Tough quiver. It's waterproof, easy in, easy out with the arrows. And as always, this video has been brought to you by Jesus Christ, my Lord and Savior, which always makes it a great day. Heck yeah. Easy in, easy out with the arrows as I pull them out of the target here. And we know we're blessed because our good buddy Vaughn is back. He was the inspiration for me even starting these silly videos, so he could put a ugly face to the name in the comment section. Thank you, Vaughn. Glad to have you back shooting your Howard Hill longbows. And yes, you are lucky, but sometimes it's better to be lucky than good. And you are good when you get practicing. God bless each and every one of you. Vaughn, God bless you and your family. Hope everybody's doing well. Just let everybody know, Dead Simple, SMPLE. He's back on YouTube. Great shot from his Georgia style tree seat. God bless each and every one of you. Get out, shoot your bows, and be kind. Love one another. Love your brothers and sisters. Have a great day.